How to do Spotify receipt. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can do your Spotify receipt, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Depends upon what kind of receipt you're talking about. If you're talking about the receipt for getting all of your top artists, top music, top stats on Spotify, or the secondary receipt you could be talking about is actually your payment and your subscription or account receipt. So what are you really talking about? Either way, I'm going to show you both of these processes, but for this we won't be using our native Spotify application. You can do this process from your browser or from your desktop. First of all, to get started with the process of finding the receipts for our top tracks and top artists, open your browser, come to this link, which is receiptify.herokuapp.com. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Once you are on the website, you want to make sure to tap the login with Spotify option here, and as you tap the login with Spotify button, you're going to be able to simply sign into your account. Over here, simply select what kind of receipt you want for top tracks, for top artists, top genres, top stats, or search albums, or whatever else you prefer, as well as a filter by date such as last month, last 6 months, or all time, depending upon what you want. And then the receipt will load up automatically at the bottom over here. Now you can simply tap the download image option to download and get this receipt. The other type of receipt that you could be talking about could be your payment receipt for Spotify, and to get this you want to simply go to spotify.com, make sure to sign into your account, then tap the gear icon from the top right, go to view account option. Right under this you'll find this account overview drop down menu. Just make sure to tap on it, and here you'll find this option known as receipts, and make sure to tap on it. Over here you'll be able to see all of your payment receipts on Spotify. This way you can basically do your Spotify receipt. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.